Is the Lenz O gauge Br98.8, which is the former Bavarian GtL4/4 small locomotive. It's a heavy die-cast loco, good solid weight to it, really feels nice. We've got sprung buffers there, we've got the Lenz coupling system, and has automatic uncoupling there as well. It has a really beautiful mechanism. Really quiet and smooth. You even have a little drive mechanism there coming off the back axle there. Digital sound, 27 functions. Cab lights there with the loco crew inside. Let's have a look.
Einsteigen bitte, Türen schließen, Vorsicht bei der Abfahrt.
Lots of different whistles.
Einsteigen, Türen schließen, Vorsicht bei der Abfahrt.
Different announcements.
Einsteigen bitte.
There's a turbo generator there which makes more noise when you turn it off. You hear it spinning down. So that's the generator for the lighting on the real thing. So lots of operating sounds there. Rolling. We have got the Lenz power pack that also hunts for power, so if you lose power on one side it will start driving along the track looking for power. If it comes all the way off, then everything will shut down. So we've also got a digital smoke generator. Takes 2 millilitres. I tend to suggest you just put 1 milliliter in it. It's running a bit low, I'll just quickly refill it. You fill it down the chimney. Takes 1 milliliter, I think is a sensible fill for it. Just gently, there's a syringe they supply with it. Let that come in. Go. Go. So there is also a cylinder clearance, so if we press function 9 and take off, it will blow down at the front of the loco. Holds the loco for 10 seconds while it does this. So at this point you won't be able to drive, you can see the throttle's on. And there we go. If I quickly change direction or start and stop again, the cylinder drain on function 9 is ignored. But if we leave it, stop it for 15 seconds, the next time you take off, if you've got function 9 selected, the cylinder drain will happen again. So we'll just wait a little bit. There we go. So again, I've got the throttle on, it won't go until it's ready. It's very effective smoke. Let it blow down again. And you have different exhaust beats when you're slowing as well. It does go to a coasting beat if you've got long enough on your track to do that. It's a superb little machine. The smoke is an option, it's on function 8 and function 9, so you can run the loco without it if you wish. Just as an aside, you can actually run the loco with the smoke and no sounds. You do hear the fan more. It's the blowdown, again it still holds the loco even though the sound isn't there. I think I'm just doing this more to say that don't assume just because the sound's off that the smoke's been turned off. So if you do run out of fluid, it should be shut down. I think it will shut itself down, but you know, safety first, do it on the function as well.